Are you confused about when to use keep or put in the English language? Do you often find yourself using the wrong word and getting your sentences all jumbled up? Don't worry, because in this video, we will explore the difference between these two verbs and their respective usage in English. Both keep and put are two common verbs used in the English language, and they often cause confusion because they are similar in meaning, but the context in which they are used can be different. Let's break it down. Both keep and put are two common verbs used in the English language, and they often cause confusion because they are similar in meaning, but the context in which they are used can be different. Let's break it down. Both keep and put are two common verbs used in the English language, and they often cause confusion because they are similar in meaning, but the context in which they are used can be different. Let's break it down. Keep means to hold or retain possession of something. It can also refer to maintaining or preserving something or someone. Examples: Mary likes to keep her room tidy and clean. He keeps his promises. Put. Put means to place or position something in a particular location or position. Examples: Can you put the book on the shelf? I put my keys down on the table. Differences between keep and put. Although both of these verbs can be used in a similar nature, there are some primary differences between them in English, and here are some. Usage. Keep is used in situations when you want to maintain or hold on to something or someone. It can refer to an ongoing action or a possession. Put is used when you want to place something in a specific location or reference. It is a one-time action. Time period. When we talk about keep, we are talking about an ongoing action. It can refer to something that has taken place for a long time or something that is still ongoing. Put, on the other hand, refers to a single action or occurrence. It is a momentary thing and does not necessarily represent the continuity or ongoing nature of an action. Similarities. Both verbs can be used to mean retain under certain circumstances. For example, I put my book on the shelf and I kept my book on the shelf can mean the same thing in some cases. Examples. Example 1. Incorrect, he put opening up a new business. Correct, he kept talking about opening up a new business. Explanation. Keep should be used because it refers to an ongoing action of talking about opening up a new business. Example 2. Incorrect, can you keep the pen on the table? Correct, can you put the pen on the table? Explanation. Put should be used because it refers to the position of the pen, whereas keep implies ongoing ownership or possession of the pen. Outro. In conclusion, keep and put are both common verbs used in English, but they have different contexts and meanings. Although they may seem similar, understanding when to use each verb correctly can make a big difference in the clarity and accuracy of your sentences. We hope that this video has been helpful in providing you with a better understanding of the difference in usage between keep and put. Thanks for watching, and make sure to practice using these verbs in your daily conversations. Scene 1. Do you often find yourself using the wrong word and getting your sentences all jumbled up?